Your Milesight gateway is pre-configured to connect to the internet via a LAN cable as a DHCP client. However, if you want to set it up to use your local Wi-Fi instead, for example to be closer to remote sensors, proceed as follows. First, connect your computer to the gateway's Wi-Fi signal, which starts with gateway and an underscore. The Wi-Fi password can be found on the silver label on the back of the device. Open your browser and enter the IP address of the gateway. After logging in, you will be redirected to the status page. In the vertical menu, click on Network and then on Interface. Here you will see the settings for the DHCP client's internet connection. In the next steps, we will replace these with the Wi-Fi settings. Once this change has been made, you will no longer be able to log in via the Wi-Fi hotspot of the Milesight gateway. You will need to connect your computer to the gateway via a LAN cable to make further changes, such as adding more sensors or resetting the settings back to DHCP client. First, change the connection type field to static IP and enter the corresponding details in the field's IP address, netmask, and gateway. Save your changes with Save and Apply. Now you can no longer access the gateway through the internal Wi-Fi hotspot. To proceed, connect your computer to the Milesight gateway using a LAN cable. Open a new browser window and enter the new IP address to log in to the device. In the vertical menu, select the Network Interface option and then the WLAN tab. Change the working mode setting from AP to Client. Click Scan to find the desired Wi-Fi network and enter the Wi-Fi password in the key field and set the IP setting protocol to DHCP client before clicking Save. Then go to Network in the horizontal menu, select Linkfailover and select the WAN failover tab. Change the main interface from ETH0 to WLAN 0. You can select ETH0 for the backup interface. Save your changes and click Apply in the top right corner. To ensure that you have an internet connection, go to Maintenance in the vertical menu and select Tools. On the Ping tab, you can enter Google's DNS address to test the connection. If the setup was successful, you will receive a response similar to this. Your configuration is now complete and all sensor data will be transmitted to the Flowtify servers via your local Wi-Fi. Note that if your local Wi-Fi fails, no data will be transferred. If you want to reset the settings to DHCP client, we have created a separate tutorial to explain how to do so.